vlog.
Hi guys, I am headed into work. I had 1 week getting ready for 2015, having meetings and figuring out our slate of pilots that we are going to develop and shoot this year. And then this week, DC All Access is back. Yay! The team is coming back into the office and we will start prepping our season 3 for DC All Access. And we have a new co-host joining us this year. All of that has come together. We have not announced it yet, so stay tuned for that, but that will be happening soon. It's very exciting. We've got a couple weeks of pre-production, and then episodes start airing at the beginning of February. Fun stuff! Yay! Hey guys, look at the messy room that I am in. Like, it's my craft room slash production room. So there's like stands and all sorts of nonsense, but then the holidays happened and it just got even more crazy. So I'm working on this room. We got Michael's boxes. We got crafts to do on Drunk DIY, but I'm so excited because I got home and there was a package for me that I wanted to share with you. It's a pretty shiny box. So I want to unbox it with you. Here's my 13-inch MacBook. Justine, don't be mad at me because I'm just opening it with scissors. According to your unboxing, you have like fancy tools, but I just want to rip into the plastic. I don't need fire or whatever. Ooh. Plastic. Dun, dun, dun. Pretty. Smells like plastic and manufacturing. It's been a few years. I think it's been like, I think I bought my last MacBook Pro in 2007 and it finally died. Oh wait, I'm not doing this right. I did this upside down and this is what came out. I'm not good at this unboxing thing, huh? Obviously, that pretty thing, this pretty thing, this pretty thing, all these pretty things, cords and such. Yeah, 2007 I bought my last, so it's been 8 years. A long time. My MacBook Pro did me well, but it finally died, and it's time for another one. Let's take the plastic off. I upgraded to the i7. Do they have the black keys these days? They do. I got the one right before they went to the black keys. So now I have the black key like everybody else. Pretty. That's my excitement. I just wanted to share. Oh my God, look at this lighting. Isn't it so flattering? It's getting dark. I'm in my car, but I wanted to tell you guys that I'm about to go get my hair chopped off, and I'm so nervous. I have wanted a pixie cut for a while now. And then last year when Jennifer Lawrence got one, I was like, okay, it's time, Sarah, let's do this. Let's do this. But my hair was super, super long then. So I kind of had to do baby steps. So I chopped off 14 inches a few months ago. I forget when that was. Was it like August or September? To this length. So now it's been a few months and I feel like it's time to just suck it up, stop being scared, and cut it really short. So I'm seriously shaking. I just left work and was like, everybody, my hair! But everyone's super supportive, so I feel like I just do it. I mean, worst case scenario, it looks silly and it grows out. Like, whatever. It is what it is. You guys will bear with me, right? I'm so nervous. Okay, so I just wanted to let you know. Fingers crossed. I'm freaking out right now. Ah! I did it! It's short. Whoa there. Jovi, do you even recognize me?
Oh my goodness, what's going on? Oh, no, I have short hair. What? Oh boy.
I got McDonald's french fries. I got McDonald's. I love how salty, I love how crunchy. I love McDonald's french fries. I don't care what you say, stop judging me. I like McDonald's french fries. I don't care what you think, stop judging me.